Let me take you back to a time when love was as precious as diamonds. Where if you search, you would find it. I know that times have changed, but I don't wanna play no games, baby. I'll treat you different.
Ba't naman ganyan yung mukha niyan? Hindi ako nag-joke. Natatakot talaga ako. First time nangyari yun. Kasi nakapo ko dun sa 80 lounge. Mag-isa lang ako. Narinig ako na parang nagmamamot pa. English eh. Kasi babae. Tapos dito sa side ko, kasi nakapo ko ng papayaw, papaantok nga ako eh. Kasi 1 hour break yun eh. Saltang ganyan. Kasi tumingin ako. Parang tumigil ako kasi nanood ako TV. Pinakinggan ko sa TV bagal. Hindi kasi dito eh. Dito nagsasalita. Saksalit, dala-diretso. Sabi ko, ano ba yun? Bosera ba yun? Sakit ako ng ba? Ano bosera to? Umalis tuloy ako dun sa ano. Tinapos ko tuloy yung break ng aga. Natakot ako eh.
So you commitment. She might be my baby. Let me love you crazy. Let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. No, you might be my baby. I ain't gonna be shady. I ain't messing around. Let's fall in love.
Stop, baby David is turning into a party, just like Elmo. Who?
Time check 3:40. Nag-snow na naman, guys. What's up, everyone? Time check 5:30. Still snowing. 23 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So this is the time that I'll be preparing for work. Katapos ko lang kumain. Nanood na lang muna tayo ngayon.
I won't let us fade away, even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay. Let's fall in love. I won't let us fade away, even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay. Retro love, retro love. Give you that retro love, retro love. This ain't gonna be no broken promise. No
Malamig ngayon, so magbubuts na lang muna ako. So yun guys, on the way na tayo sa work. Last time na nag-work ako was I believe on January 2. So 15 minutes drive papunta doon sa work. So yun guys, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Medyo daan-daan lang tayo. Alright, stoplight. So 2025 is the year that I will start vlogging consistently. Or should I say, be active. Nakaka-bored, especially this winter, wala masyadong nagagawa. Nakakalungkot pag winter. So just a quick backtrack lang sa timeline namin. So year 2022, dumating kami dito sa Amerika. So December 2022, 1 month kami nagstay sa Florida. So yung wife ko is under MedPro. So 1 month training siya doon sa, I think, Fort Lauderdale or somewhere there. Near Miami yung training niya. Good thing, may relative ako sa Tampa, Florida. So nagstay muna ako sa tita ko for 1 month. Tapos nung dumating kami dito sa Ohio, January 2023, nag-review na ako ng una IELTS pa eh. Pero kasi I heard mas madali daw yung PTE. Yung testing center niya is sa Pennsylvania pa. Time check, 6:46 p.m. Meron pa tayong 14 minutes. I hope hindi ako ma-float sa ibang unit. Tuloy na natin, February 2023. That's the time I took my PTE English exam. So yun, nag-travel kami. I believe 2 to 3 hours travel from here to Pennsylvania. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakapasa naman ng PTE. Same month, we found out that yung wife ko is pregnant. After ko ma-receive yung yung certificate or parang yung proof na nakapasa ako ng PTE exam, that's the time that I apply sa same hospital ng wife ko. Kaso ang complicated ng requirements nila. Nag-require pa sila ng madaming mga paperworks. May ako nag-start dito sa current work ko sa Cleveland Clinic. Tapos yun, fast forward, November 2023, nanganak na yung wife ko. So my wife has 3 years contract sa MedPro. But the problem is, na-extend yung contract niya dahil nag-maternity leave siya. So andito na tayo guys. Mag-badge lang tayo ng ID dito.
Head north.
So we're here na guys, magpa-park lang tayo. Okay, baba muna tayo guys. Madali na tayo. So andito na tayo ngayon. Lalakad. Oh, it's so cold.
You too.
Sakto 70. Tama na tayo sa lakad. Good. Wow, how are you?
Billy, what you doing, Billy?
Working here?
Yeah, unfortunately. I'm not changing shit. Come on, Sarah.
When you're ready.
Okay. Got all my teeth?
I have 3 of them.
Ay, grabe, ang lamig. So, ayun guys, tapos na naman yung duty natin. One duty down. Nagpapainit na lang muna tayo ng sasakyan. It's 18 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So, kanina, sakto lang, hindi naman busy. Mas busy pa ata yung mga ibang ka-work ko. I got 5 patients. One of my patient has acute aspiration pneumonia, yung isa naman necrotizing pneumonia, yung isa alcohol withdrawal. He was on a sitter before, pero nag-improve na siya. Then I also have acute encephalopathy, dialysis patient. Meron din tayong acute pericarditis. Alright, tapos na tayo magpainit guys.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Head northeast on Dart Avenue toward West Cedar Street.
Tutuloy ko na yung timeline ko guys. Yung wife ko nag 3 months maternity leave. Ako naman, hindi pa ako eligible sa paternity leave since less than a year pa lang ako dun sa current work ko. Ang nangyari, 2 weeks leave lang ako. Okay na rin yung 2 weeks leave. Tapos yun, taste muna kami. July na ako nag-start ng PRN job ko. So, mga once or twice a week lang ako nag-duty. Kasi kami lang nag-aalaga sa baby. Ayaw rin namin magpa-daycare eh. May bus lang na nag-stop. So, ganyan yung itsura guys dito kapag may bus. The only problem with PRN is mapofloat ka sa ibang unit. I got floated sa EMU, Epilepsy Monitoring Unit.
In 800 feet,
Finally, we're home! Ay, salamat. So, we're gonna eat and sleep and drink water.
I won't let us fade away. Even when we old and gray, know that I'll be here to stay. Let's fall in love. I won't let